Hi everyone, this is Val from the 4EVERLAND team. In this guide, we'll learn how to integrate DeepSeek into Google Sheets through the 4EVERLAND API. In a nutshell, we are going to generate a script in the 4EVERLAND AI RPC chat, apply it to the Google Sheets, augment it with the API values, and test it. Let's begin with opening 4EVERLAND dashboard, choosing AI RPC service. Here you can check LLMs supported by the platform and their land consumption. Let's open the 4EVERLAND chat. It is a single interface service which allows AI developers and ordinary enthusiasts simultaneously use several large language models, fine-tune the model operation, and change related settings. Perfect! Let's generate a custom script with our prompt and copy it. Then we have to open a table, choose extensions and app script. We have to create a new script file and paste the generated code. After pasting, let's change the endpoint value. In the doc file, there is a line with the URL needed for the script. Just copy and paste it. Next is the API keystone. For the security reasons, we should not directly use the auth token in the script. Instead, let's open the settings of the project, insert the auth token into the script properties. To do that, let's return to the dashboard, generate a new one and paste it in the needed field. Last but not least, let's change the name of the model. To do that, we need to open the list of models, find one we need, then copy-paste the name of the LLM. Awesome! Now we are ready to test our integration. Let's give it a simple task to return a number which is written twice. Yep, the code's working. Now you can use it for anything you need. Thanks for watching, see you next time.